Alright, I bought some pink wheels today. They were $6.49, but with the discount today, 25%. Anyway, these are Arias, which are good. I don't really care for the pink wheels, but then again, you think about it, isn't pink like kind of a normal color for certain types of rubber products? Like, what color is rubber naturally if they don't dye it? Is it really black or is it pink? I don't know. It reminds me of an eraser. A big giant eraser. They're almost really just a little bit on the too small side. What I like about these kind of wheels is they're bigger and they have like this really kind of interesting compact rim with a big thick lip on it. I've got a couple of bikes that have these. Inflate to 100 psi. URO. I can't find any other info. They're nylon, it says, so it's not rubber. Let's see, 2362 700 by 23C. I really don't know what that means. So there's no name on that side. There are some markings here that I can't really read. It's made by nylon. I don't think they've ever been used. Doesn't look like it. Anyway, unfortunately they were missing the center part, but this one has a tube in it, but the tube is no good. What the hell is that? Interesting. Oh no, they're called URO. That's right. They say URO. That's the brand, apparently. And they're matching rims, so they're Japanese rims. RS 430. I don't know what the hubs are. Probably the same. They should be the same. Shimano on the covers. One of the guys at the thrift store said that they're kind of expensive, I guess, or whatever. He said also some kind of race gear. Let's see how many we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like there's a gear missing. Is that normal? That wavy plate back there? I don't know. Is that normal? I think this would go really good on my 3G bicycle. The what do they call it? The fixie, and it has like a wheel like this. What does this say here? It says Shimano Hyperglide. And it says lock what? Lock 40 Newton meters. US patent. Hyper Glide 1. And I had to mess with the hub for some reason. The hub's loose. I'm gonna have to mess with it later, but that's what I bought today. One thing I bought today. And then the other thing was the camera that came back that I should have bought when I had it. Anyway, somebody else bought it and came back. I don't want to get too involved in a conversation about that. So we got that. This guy Mark gave me some inner tubes for it. So we got a couple of inner tubes. Hopefully they don't have Prestas. It's Prestas. He knew it would be. Okay. Anyway, so that's it for the bicycle stuff today.